where everything is equally important and every performance is almost nearing a perfection. On this backdrop, ladies and gentlemen, our lives as citizens of the country are all being impacted by so much of developments and capabilities. The way we work will never be the same again. We would require a whole set of new skills and new knowledge to encounter the challenges of the new world order. Ladies and gentlemen, time and again, history has taught us that technologically and knowledge-wise superior will always win. Be it individuals, teams, organizations, and even nations. As a country, what is our stance? What is our call? Today, ladies and gentlemen, we know that no economy in the world has been transformed without robust investment in the field of research and development. For an example, South Korea, Israel, Sweden, Finland, they have shown to the world that ample support towards research and development only can give those countries the leverage of having the technological superiority, leadership in the fields of healthcare, any field that they can dominate the world. ඉතින් අපි රටක් වශයෙන් අපගේ ස්ථාවරය කුමක්ද? අද ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ප්‍රථම වතාවට අපි සූදානම් රටේ අනාගතය සංවර්ධනය උදෙසා පර්යේෂණ සහ සංවර්ධනය අපගේ ප්‍රතිපත්ති මාලාව ලොවට හඳුන්වා දෙන්න, රටට හඳුන්වා දෙන්න. මේ මොහොතට අප ලෝක සිතියම ගත් කල දකුණු වම් කෙළවරේ සිට දකුණු කෙළවර දක්වා. එනම් ඇමරිකා එක්සත් ජනපදයේ සිට ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාව දක්වා. ඒ සෑම මහද්වීපයක්ම ආවරණය වන පරිදි විද්‍යාර්ථීන්, විද්‍යාඥයින්, ප්‍රාඥයින් තමන්ගේ දැනුම, කුසලතාවය රටට දායාද කිරීමට මේ අවස්ථාවට සැලසෙමි සිටිනවා. ඉතින් බොහොමත්ම ස්තුතියි. ඔබ සියලු දෙනාටම අපගේ හෘදයාංගම ස්තුතිය. Shall we all put our hands together? Give yourself a big round of applause. Come on. Thank you. Thank you for all your contributions. You will make the difference. To start the proceedings, we are ready to light this very special lamp in keeping the traditions of Sri Lanka. So it gives me great pleasure to call upon, ladies and gentlemen, our truly inspirational leader joining with us to do the honors. First, can we have with us Comrade Anura Kumara Disanayaka, leader, NPP Jatika Jana Balawegya. Sir, please step forward. Comrade Dr. Nalinda Jathisa, the National Executive Committee member of NPP. Dr. Harini Amrasurya, National Executive Committee member of NPP. Professor Gomika Udugamasuriya of University of Houston and Managing Director of Anderson Cancer Center, the US. Professor O.A. Ileperuma, Emeritus Professor of Chemistry, University of Peradeniya. Dr. Mudita Senarath Yapa, former Head of Research at the John Keells Research. Professor Sanathe Tiarachi, Professor of Biological Sciences, Rajarata, University of Sri Lanka. Professor Sarath Malavi Patharina, Professor in Chemistry of Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka. Dr. Nadika Ratnayaka, Senior Scientist in Environmental Chemistry and Geochemistry of Hydrobiology, Queensland, Australia. Professor Krishanta Abesena, Senior Professor in Public Health, University of Kelaniya. Professor Himali Mudasingha, Professor in Zoology, Dean, Faculty of Science, University of Ruhuna. Professor Rohan Fernando, Dean, Faculty of Natural Sciences, Open University of Sri Lanka. Professor W.M. Striani, Professor in Conservation Biology, Rajarata, University of Sri Lanka. Professor Devaka K. Veerakun, Professor in Zoology, University of Colombo. Professor G.R.A. Kumara, Research Professor, National Institute of Fundamental Studies, NIFS. Dr. Anura Disanayaka, former Deputy Director,
Rubber Research Institute of Sri Lanka and CEO, International Consultation Service. Professor R.M. Dharmadasa, Director and Research Professor, Industrial Technology Institute. Mr. Ajit Gunaratna, former Director, National Aquatic Resources Research and Development Agency, NARA. Engineer, Mrs. Namali Simbalapidia, Director, Retired Road Development Authority. Engineer Saman Kirtiratna, General Manager, Ambevela Products Private Limited. Professor Jayanta Vijay Bandara, Professor in Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, University of Sri Javardhanapura. Professor Vijendra Jalad Bandara, Professor of Physics, Chairman, Research Grants Commission. Postgraduate Institute of Science, University of Peradeniya. Dr. K. Mahendra Raja, Consultant Surgeon, Jaffna Hospital. Professor Anand Karunaratna, former Vice Chancellor, Rajarata, University of Sri Lanka. Professor Deekshana Surabira, Founder Dean of the Faculty of Business, Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology, Slate. Professor Jeevanta Premaratna, Department of Chemistry, University of Kelaniya. Dr. Dilip Kumar Fernando, Chief Executive Officer, Avon Pharmo Chem Private Limited. Dr. Motilal De Silva, CEO, Internet Plus Asia. Former Chief Strategic Officer, Dialog Asiata PLC. Former Group CEO, Telecom Fiji Limited. Professor Jude Fernando, Professor in Sustainability and Social Justice, Clark University in the US. Dr. Priyanka Veerasinghe, former Director, Horticulture, Crop Research and Development Institute, Department of Agriculture.
You're watching the Life Traveler channel.